Kids, how to increase your productivity by 30% so you got more free time for yourself. Let's go ahead and take a look at the short 2-minute video. All right, kids, first thing that we want to get is a whiteboard. Once you get your whiteboard, you're going to notice here that you've got your days of the month. You can list off your days. Simply look here. So I would put in the upper right or left-hand corner the dates. This is going to be, say, December. So we just simply put December, and then you wipe this off and then do November, December, January, and so forth. The end of the month, you just redo this, okay? You list off your days, and sometimes the day of the month is not going to start on a different day. So here I'd said that December 1st was Sunday, but maybe January is going to start on Thursday. All right, simply list off your days and put them chronologically here. Okay, this is important. This is what we're going to call our daily list. So just write this, and this is something that probably will keep for the month. All right, so this is your daily to-do list. Okay, so what you want to do here, and I recommend black. When you go to, before you go to bed, you want to think about what you want to do, and you're going to do this the night before, okay? This is called planning and solitude. Basically, what you want to do is you want to list off, kind of in order, and it doesn't have to be in order, all the stuff that you really need to get done, okay? In the morning, I'm going to send text messages to my study group to confirm that we are meeting online at 6 o'clock. Then I am going to do some biology homework for 30 minutes. And I'm going to do that roughly 5 p.m. Okay? So list off everything that you need to get done. Keep in mind that what you want to do here is, this is enough space that you want to push this. You want to try and add more stuff than you think you're actually going to be able to do. All right, step 2, after you've listed off your daily list, as you go throughout your day, what you want to do is you want to take a different color pen. I recommend red. All right, so what I did is I text my buddies in the morning about study group. I mark it off and simply cross off stuff that's completed. All right. Now, at the end of the day, let's say that we didn't get problem number 6 done. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and put a circle around it, and then no, we're going to put it on the next day. Okay, so here, let's say what happened over here was, let's say that I had to write a paper. All right, and I just did this day here, so I put an X through this day. Then number 6, I'd put here at the top of the list, just simply list off the stuff that you did not finish from the previous day. Then what you can do is you can go ahead and you can erase all of this daily stuff, and then you can go ahead and now we're on to the next day, which would be Wednesday. Keep in mind that you've got your paper at the top of the list in red. What you want to do is circle the stuff that you didn't finish, put it over here on the top, so you know that's something that you got to go ahead and finish. With your third color pen, I like to use blue. It doesn't matter what you use. Red kind of pops off the page for crossing stuff out and listing it as being important the next day. So I think that might be a good idea. But for the third color, I selected blue, but you could use green, whatever else you wanted. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to list off the stuff that we need to do for the week or for the month or whatever. Okay. So let's say that we just finished Tuesday, and I know I've got this to work on the paper the next morning. Okay, so I erase all this as we did before, and then over here, let's say that I've got a genetics quiz. All right, so I usually write down on the bottom, so Gen and then Q. All right, you just spell it out and then label it here. And then over here, I have a final on Friday, and then on Monday, I've got a paper. Just list off from your syllabus what you have, and this will kind of help you understand what we need to get going. So blue would potentially be stuff that you've got to keep yourself reminded of, to kind of be proactive to get this stuff done. You got your daily list, which we do in black, and then we cross it out with red to make yourself feel like you're getting some accomplishments and the stuff that's not done. And remember, you always want to fill your daily list out with more stuff than for sure you know you're going to be able to finish. But it is important when you erase this, that you have this on the top of your list. So it's the first thing written in red up here. So when this all gets erased, that this will go at the top of the next list for the next day, and so forth. You continue on. Kids, if you follow this procedure, you're going to see that you're going to have more time to be productive, because there's going to be less stuff that we have to kind of wait and do everything last minute. This is what's called planning in solitude, and just kind of planning stuff out. The other thing, it's going to be great because mom and dad can kind of see you in progress, and they can look at your calendar and so forth, and they're probably going to give you a little bit more leeway. All right, thanks for watching, kids. Good luck. Bye for now.